Murder, she wrote. Call 911, call the Reverend, because we just murdered that workout. This is real sweat, guys. Oh my God, big ups to all of my VIP members. Come take a little walk with me. I'm gonna show you all of our sweat here. Look at this. That is sweat, everybody. Look at my waist trainer. Oh my God. Imagine having all those toxins just trapped in you. You killed it today. Look, I mean, we really earned our shower. Oh my goodness. You did not hold back. I'm so proud of you. I mean, this is the real deal here. Feeling all shredded, feeling all motivated, feeling all positive. And thanks for believing in yourself. And you only live once, but if you live it right, once is enough. We whittled in our waistline. We definitely raised our booties. Add that little banana there. And did a lot of shredding moves. I'm feeling so fabulous. We carved up our pumpkins today. And this was a role model workout. You guys are all role models. You are role models to others. You're raising your standards, raising your expectations. You're setting intentions every day, every morning, and you're preparing for your successful life. Believe in yourself, and magic and miracles are happening. I'm so grateful. Have a great day. No tricks in our clique, only little treats. Look at this cute little baby. Have a VIP day, and I believe in you. Love you, Kathy. Mwah. Bye, guys.